Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are creating industrial part. Click the part. Start with top plane, hexagonal first take. Smart dimension. This point to this part. .4. Okay, now our sketch is not fully defined, so need to one more dimension. This one also same 27.4. Exit. Extruded both base. Now extrude. This two dimension equal 5.75 plus 6.25. The software automatically calculated. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch normal, circle. Draw one circle, 34 diameter, extrude. Okay. Now this one 2 mm, extrude downside. The next step, select this face, sketch normal, take one circle, draw from center line, smart dimension, just define the dimension is 23 mm. Future extruded cut. Now cut downside 5.75 mm. Okay. Now select inner side, sketch normal. This construction line for reference, slot this point to this point. Okay. Now smart dimension. Check the dimension, the distance between two lines. Need one more reference line, horizontal. Okay. This point to this line coincide. Okay. Now smart dimension. Define this line, the 12.4 mm. Okay. And need to one more distance defined. This one 5.20. Okay. Now distance between center to this line 3.8. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now mirror it. Entities, mirror entities. Select this sketch, mirror about, select the center line. Okay, automatically mirror it. Now exit the sketch and extruded cut downside up to 5.25. Okay, here right 5.25. Okay. Now chamfer inner side, the 1 mm 45 degree. Okay, chamfer created. Select this face, sketch normal, create one circle, smart dimension, the diameter 30 mm. Future extruded boss base, extrude 5 mm upside. Okay, hole wizard, thread starting point here, the end condition up to selection. Now select this end. Okay, just scroll it. This one metric dia. Okay, this one num 3.5 thread as it is others. Okay, now threads are created. Now sketch again. One circle, smart dimension, define the circle 27 mm. Future extruded cut downside up to 5 mm. Okay, our part is almost completed. Now select this face, make it 2 circles here. Okay, one and one more, second one. Smart dimension, this circle to outer circle distance is 0.5 mm, and distance between the two circles, this one 1.6. okay, extruded cut downside 1 mm. This is for o-ring slot, so fillet inside two corners, this one and this corner 0.5 mm fillet both side. One more. Okay, now take hole wizard, countersink ISO standard M2 size, the blind up to 3.8 mm, other as it is. Now take position back side, front side. There is 2 hole. Okay, now smart dimension, the distance between 2 hole, (18). Okay, now distance from this point to center, half 9. Now our sketch is fully defined. Just to click the center point to origin point, make it vertical. Now take thread, hole wizard, this one normal hole first we create. Size is M6. Here 6.9. Blind 5 mm. Other things are as it is. Now select the position. Okay, the one error come, the diameter, drill diameter cannot be larger. Okay, so here edit it, this one 6 mm. Okay, these holes are created. Now go to hole wizard and thread. Select the starting point and condition up to the selection. Okay, this point. Now specification is metric die M3. Now here inches and tab. This hole is different in inches. No, we, we create in matrix.
Powering off.
M6 size. Okay, this one mm in matrix, ISO matrix. M3.5 is coming correctly, so we're selecting M3.5 thread and next jumper. Select the downside 0.5 mm. Now select the all 6 corners 2 mm. Okay, now look perfect. Yes, this industrial part is fully ready. Thank you.